Good morning students. Up to the last lecture we have studied about the resistances in parallel connection. Okay. So if we studied already that resistance are what? It is the electronic component which resists the electric current. Resist means what? To slow down or stop. Okay. They are used to slow down or stop electric current in a given electric circuit. Okay. So now we have to see some problems based on these two topics. Okay, so these resistors we can connect by two ways. Okay, if we use two or more resistances in one electric circuit, at that time we can connect that resistors in first this way, that is the series connection, and second, that is the parallel connection. So both ways we can connect the resistances, okay, according to our use. Okay, so how much electric current we want, according to that basis we connect these electrical resistors. Okay, so here we have to see some problems. Okay, so we know, we are already studied, if two or more resistors are connected in series. Okay, resistances in RS means what? Equivalent resistance in series connection. Okay, if n number of resistors are connected in series connection way, at that time equivalent resistance of all the resistors will be equal to addition of all the resistors. Okay, so RS will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus up to resistance of nth resistor. Okay, so such a way that we can calculate their equivalent resistor in a series connection. Also we study the formula of parallel connection. Okay, so if n number of resistors are connected in a parallel connection, so their equivalent resistor will be Rp. Okay, resistance in parallel. Okay, so parallel resistance will be equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus up to 1 by Ra. Okay, so these two formulas we are already studied. Okay, so we generally today study only the problem based on these two formulas. Okay, so look at the first problem. First problem is three resistors having resistances of 15 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series. Okay, so in examination you have to read this problem carefully. Okay, and here they directly tell us that they are connected in series. Okay, so they are connected in series. It means which formula we have to use, that is the RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so this word is important, so that decide which formula we have to use to solve this problem. Okay, then what is the effective resistance in the circuit? Okay, look at series connection. Okay, in a series connection what happens? Three resistors are connected in one line. Okay, such a way that, okay, so suppose these are the three resistors which are connected in one electrical connection. Okay, look at only one electrical connection in that, and all three resistors are connected in one electrical connection having 50 ohm, then 3 ohm and then 4 ohm. Okay, remember ohm is the unit of resistors. Okay, so these three resistors are connected in a series such a way. Okay, so what will be the effective resistance in the circuit? Okay, what will be the total effective resistance of the circuit? Okay, we know if two or more resistors are connected in a series way, okay, at that time their equivalent resistance is nothing but the addition of resistance of each resistor. Okay, but when we are solving problem, then one thing we have to clearly note down. First we have to follow these steps, okay, because these carry marks. Okay, first of all we have to always write given quantity in the problem. Okay, so look at in the given is what they said, only 3 resistors are given here. Okay, so in the given we have to write down the values of 3 resistor. Okay, so in that first is 50 ohm. Okay, so resistance first, that is the R1 having value 15 ohm, then 3 ohm, so we called it R2. Okay, second resistor R2 which having value 3 ohm, and third R3 which having value 4 ohm. Okay, so such a way that first always we have to write given quantities of the problem. Each step carry 1/2 marks. Okay, so always remember that your final answer is not that much important, it carry 1/2 mark. Okay, this step always carry 1/2 mark, so you have to write these steps when you are solving problem. Okay, so in the given R1, R2 and R3 are how much, that we have to write here. So R1 15 ohm, R2 3 ohm and R3 4 ohm. Then formula, okay, which formula we have to use, that is the first formula that I wrote there. Okay, I rough now, but that formula I write here before some time. Okay, so effective resistance in series connection is given by Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so effective resistor is nothing but the addition of all the values of resistances that are connected in a series connection. So effective resistance will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so R1 is 15 ohm, R3 is a 3 ohm, and R2 is a 3 ohm, and R3 is a 4 ohm. Okay, so this RS, that is the series connection equivalent resistance, will be 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22 ohm. Resistance has unit ohm, so its a unit should be ohm. Okay, so such a way that equivalent resistor of this series connection is how much, 22 ohm. Okay, you have to remember in a series connection we have to take only addition of resistances of all the resistors that given to us. Okay, and remember this first step given carry 1.5 mark. Then this formula, okay, this formula carry your half mark. Then this step carry half mark, and this last step answer with unit. Okay, answer with unit, that carry half mark. This unit is also important. If you are not write here unit, then you will never get this marks. Okay, so if you are here right, all things are right, but here something is wrong, then you get 1.5 mark for this problem out of 2. Okay, if you not write this step, then you will get 1.5 mark. If you not write formula, then again you will get 1.5 mark. Okay, so each step you have to write in every problem. Okay, so you have to know which step you have to write in the problem solving, because it is important. Marks are given according to this way, distribution of mark. I already told you, but still now we are start section of problem. Then again I think I have to told you, so that is why I am again telling you, you have to follow these rules. Then you will get mark. Otherwise you will not get your full marks of problems. Okay, actually problem solving is a very simple concept. If you know well formulas, then you can very easily solve and you will get full marks here. Okay, so now we will see another one problem, same problem, resistances in series connection. So look at that. Now here, if 3 resistors having resistance of, first of suppose 20 ohm, then 10 ohm, and this is the 5 ohm. Okay, so here what 3 resistors having resistances of 20 ohm, 10 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in a series So what is the effective resistance in the circuit? So look at here again, three resistors are given in a series connection, means such a connection. Okay, so value of first resistor is 20 ohm, second is 10 ohm, and third is 5 ohm. Okay, so 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 5 ohm, these three resistors are connected in a series such a way, then what will be their effective resistance? So again, same steps we have to follow here. Okay, we have to write first given. So three resistances are given. Suppose R1 is 20 ohm, R2 is 10 ohm, and R3 is 5 ohm. Okay, so always we have to write first given. So given is how much? R1, R2 and R3. Okay, then we know in a series connection, effective resistance Rs in series connection, which is given, Rs is equal to addition of all the resistances which are connected in a series connection. So Rs will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So here we have to take only addition of all the resistors which are connected in a series connection. So R1 is how much here? R1 is 20 ohm. Then R2 is how much? 10 ohm. And R3 is how much? 5 ohm. 10, 20 ohm R1, R2 10 ohm, and R3 5 ohm. So if we take here addition, 10 ohm plus 20 ohm, 30 ohm. 30 ohm plus 5 ohm, 35 ohm. So 35 ohm is the effective resistance of this electric circuit, where three resistors of value 20 ohm, 10 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in series. This is the effective resistance. Okay, so simply by using this formula, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So in series connection, we have to remember, we have to take addition of values of resistors. Okay, so simply we have to take here addition of resistances, then we will easily get the final answer. After writing answer, we have to write unit. Okay, that unit is also important, and we know resistance have unit ohm. Okay, so this is all about the resistances in series. Now we have to see in next topic how we can calculate the effective resistance when we connect the resistors in parallel way.